Hello everyone, so in today's video we are going to be unboxing this case of Pusheen Series 6 blind boxes. And the way this is going to work is that I will just keep unboxing until either we get a full set or we'll just unbox the whole case. So yeah, if you want to watch and see what I get, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. I'm sorry there's a little bit of a shadow, but hopefully you guys don't mind too much. I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. Now, this is what you can get in the set. There are 8 always, and here. So you can get the Pusheen mermaid, Stormy as a unicorn, Pusheen unicorn, little Pusheen as a dragon, or a Pegasus, Stormy as a mermaid, Pip as a little Pegasus, and then there's this white unicorn. Actually, no, I think it's a white fairy, and then, of course, the mystery plush. So, let's just go ahead and open it now. So, first one. And we got Pip! Yay! So, the first one we have here is this little Pip as a little Pegasus, so we'll just leave him right there. And next one. Sorry you guys, my filming setup is so wonky. Oh, I broke a box. Alright, so the next one is, oh, and we got our first duplicate. It's Pip once again, so we'll just put him off to the side. Ooh, this one opened really nicely, thankfully. Alright. And we got Pip again. So I have 3 Pips already. Now we're going to move on to the next box. Okay, if we get another Pip, I'll move on. Okay, yeah, I got another Pip. So that's so far 4 Pips already. Okay, since I have so many Pips, we're gonna move on to, probably back here. Let's see if we'll get something different. Alright, you guys, sorry. I tried filming it how, like, regular toy unboxers do it, but it just wasn't working for me. I'd rather film face to face, so, let's see. And, yay! So we got the white unicorn one. So far, we got 2 out of the 8. Let's see if we'll get a full set today. So next one. I don't even know what to do with all these boxes. And we got another white Pusheen, another duplicate. Alright, next box. So much trash. Alright. And we got another white little Pusheen. So, nothing but duplicates so far. Which, a little disappointing, but not too disappointing. Next one. And another white Pusheen. So far I have 4 white Pusheens and 4 of the Pips. So, and my box, the case did come sealed, so I don't know what to think of that. And another white Pusheen. Ugh. So far, just from my boxes, I feel like Pip is very, very common. Just from how often I got her. Oh, so we got a new one. I called Pip a girl. So we got this one, Pusheen as a mermaid. So I now have 3 out of the 8. So I'm going to move this over here. We only have 12 boxes left to unopen. So, got stuck. Alright, 12 boxes left to unopen, and we only got 3 out of the 8. I am shaking. And another mermaid Pusheen, another duplicate. Okay, let's see, another one. I don't know what to talk about. I feel like you should talk while you do these things, but I don't know. And, oh, a new one! We got the mini Pusheen unicorn. This one's actually super cute. I have the clip version. No, I have the regular like 4-inch one, so this is super cute. So we now have half of the set, and we have about 10 boxes to go. Alright. There we go. Ooh, we got Stormy Mermaid. So I now have 5 out of the 8 of the set and 9 boxes to go. So buying a case was definitely worth it, because I felt like if I hadn't bought in a case, this would have taken me weeks to get 5 out of the set. So next one. This one feels like Stormy again, so I'm gonna guess it's Stormy. Oh, and it's actually Pusheen as a unicorn. Cool. Okay, next one. Actually, I was gonna mention that in Gund or Ensenko, whatever you want to call it, they actually sent these super fast, because they shipped them on Saturday and I got them already. I had called them and they said it would be here on Wednesday, so a day early. Right, next one. And we got Pusheen Mermaid again. Ooh, so, next one. We only have 7 boxes left. The one I'm opening is number 7, so let's see how that goes. And I'm missing 3 more of the set. This one feels like Stormy. And of course, I was right, it's Stormy. It's number 6. I'm gonna say a lot of these are like stuck to the top, so I don't know. Who do you think this is, you guys? And it's Pusheen Mermaid. Man, okay, we only have 1, 2, 3, 5 more, and I'm missing 3. I'm gonna be so sad if I don't get the whole set. But that happens. You don't always get the whole set, so. Let's see. And we got Stormy Unicorn. How cool. Okay, so I now have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 of the 8. So I'm missing 2 more, and we got 4 boxes, you guys. Am I gonna get the whole set? I would be happy even if I just got the whole 7 and not the mystery one. So. And we got Pusheen as a unicorn again. So there's 3 boxes and I'm missing 2, I think. So after this one, if I don't get one of the 2, I'm going to say that we're not going to get the whole set. So let's open up this one. This one's number 3, and then we got 1 and 2. And it is Pusheen as a mermaid. Alright, you guys, so we only have 2 boxes left. If one of these isn't one of the ones I'm missing, then I'm going to go ahead and throw in the towel and say that we are not getting a full set today. Which is disappointing, but it's okay. It's all going to be okay if I don't get the whole set. So, number 2. Are we going to get the whole set? Are we not going to get the whole set? If this one's a duplicate, we aren't getting the whole set. And it is Pusheen as a unicorn. So we are not getting the whole set today, you guys. I've got 6 out of the 8, so not too shabby for my first case. I will, of course, just have to buy the last ones. I'm missing Dragon, and I'm missing the Mystery Plush. So I'm going to guess those are the rarest of them all. Oh my gosh, you guys. My last box is the case, and you won't believe which one I got. I got the Mystery Plush. The only one I didn't get is the Dragon Pusheen. I got the Mystery Plush, you guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Are you guys ready for me to reveal what the Mystery Plush is? Okay. It is Pip as a purple little dragon, and he's got his little dragon tail. Wow. Dang. So, we got 7 out of the 8. The only one I'm missing is Dragon Pusheen, And honestly, that probably isn't going to be too hard to find. Hopefully. So yeah, that's not a bad haul at all for these boxes. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the whole set of everything I got. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys will share it. I know it's not a usual unboxing video. I am a very, very tiny channel with very limited equipment, so I did the best I could. Hopefully if I get bigger, you guys can help me get bigger if you share and like and subscribe. I can get a better setup so I can do better unboxing videos. And yeah, thank you all again so much for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe and watch my next videos. So I will see you all in the next one. Bye!
Yeah.